y'all, I'm Lance with Sleeper Barbecue, and this is going to be my contribution to Rob's collaboration cook with leftover chicken, hashtag two-timing chick. We have a little bit left of a hen, and I'm going to pull it apart, and I'm actually going to make some egg rolls out of it, I think is what I'm going to do. And if I have time, I'm going to make a little bit of a sauce, dipping sauce also. So let me change the camera around, and we'll show you what we've already got started. All right, let's see if we can get this thing going. Got my water here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this chicken in here. I got actually a little bit more than I thought I was going to have. Try to keep it away from the edges. First one's always going to be the challenging one. So here's my broccoli slaw, store-bought. Only thing I added was some chopped up radishes. I'll get it out sooner or later. We're going to throw some of these sprouts on there. So I'm going to get this tucked in. Get a little bit of water on here. Seal this in. Roll them up, and there you have it. One egg roll. And number two. So, Rob, we're going to continue this off camera, and we'll bring you back here shortly. All right, as you can see, we've got our egg rolls made. As I said earlier, our oil's up to temp. We got the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 egg rolls out of that little bit of chicken. And of course, the broccoli salad mixture, the sprouts, radishes. So we're going to make a sauce, and we're also going to get these frying, but I think I'm going to jump over to the sauce first. I'm not going to make a big old batch of it. I don't even know how it's going to turn out, but it's just the wife and I. So what I'm going to do is use some horseradish, some stone ground brown mustard, which is my favorite, and we put a splash of this rice vinegar in there, just to give a little bit of a sweetness to it. Yep, that's horseradish, all right. So that's about a teaspoon. Mustard, I'm just going to go by eye here. That's good, 2 tablespoons, I would say. And just a splash of that rice vinegar. Probably actually a little less than a teaspoon. Wow. Sweet vinegar in that brown mustard. But that rice vinegar is actually coming through. Need some more horseradish. Maybe just a touch of garlic. So the fun begins. All right, batch number one. Slowly but surely. All right, we're coming down to the last couple here. There may or may not be a couple missing. That would be the fault of Mrs. Sleeper, aka my wife Michelle. All right, Rob, there you go, buddy. Let's get our taste test in. All right, I know they're going to be a hit. Michelle, aka Sleeper, Mrs. Sleeper, ate 2 of them, so they're really good. Oh, heck yeah. And Lance, aka Mr. Sleeper, gives a big thumbs up. That is great. The sauce is excellent. All right, Rob. Blackstone. Used to be Poor Guy with a Blackstone. Now I think it's Poor Guy Blackstone Outdoors or something. All these name changes, but your name is Rob. Rob, that's my contribution to your collab. Thank you for asking, or didn't even ask. I sort of kind of invited myself, didn't I? But sort of kind of. I had mentioned something about sound really good, and you had asked if I was going to participate, and I believe my answer was yes. So I'm glad you asked. I love the egg rolls. They turned out really good. The wife really enjoyed them too. We thank you. I'm Lance, Sleeper Barbecue, St. Mary's County, Maryland. Thank you. Good luck, everyone.